This question from JEE Advanced 2016, paper 1. F, G, H are differentiable functions. F of x is equal to x cube plus 3x plus 2. G of f of x equal to x. H of g x is equal to x. So options are given. This is one or more than one option type question. So f is differentiable function. Given function f of x is equal x cube plus 3x plus 2. That implies it is differentiable, therefore f dash x is equal 3x square plus 3. Right? So differentiable function therefore automatically inverse exists. Now observe first condition, that is g of f of x. G of f of x is equal to x. So clearly by using this you can write g of x is equal f inverse of x. Very useful result here. Right? By observing given you can write this. So we have to observe options. First I am checking option A. What is that? G of 2 is equal 1 by 15 we have to check. So from this I am writing it as f of g of x is equal to x. Right? Now differentiate on both sides. F dash g of x of g dash x is equal to 1. Okay. Now g dash x is equal to 1 by f dash gx. Okay? Right. Now here we have to calculate g dash 2. That implies from here substitute x equal to, this is g dash 2 is equal 1 by f dash of g of 2. Here we have to get g of 2 value. Just observe here. F of x is equal to x cube plus 3x plus 2. Put x equal 0 here. That is f of 0 is equal 0 cube 0 plus 0 plus 2. This value gives you 2. Right? So once again here I am using given result. What is it? G of f of x is equal x. If g of f of x equal to x, by putting x0 what you can write? G of f of 0 is equal 0. Right? So here we can write g of f of 0 is equal 0. Simply put x equal 0 in the result. What is f of 0? 2. Therefore g of 2 is equal to what? 0. Right? Very tricky question this is. Now g of 2 is equal to 0. Now here it is 1 by f dash of, what is g of 2? 0. Already we have f dash x. Here. In this put x equal 0. This is 0. 0 plus 3 is 3. Therefore this result is 1 by 3. What is g dash 2? 1 by 3. Okay. But given A option g dash 2 is equal to what? 1 by 15. Therefore this is wrong. A option is wrong here. Now come to B, C and D. Just observe here B, C, D all are H relation based. So take the second condition which is in terms of H as well as G, that is H of G of x is equal to x. Okay? So here also we have to use G of f of x is equal to x. By applying this you can write H of G of fx. In place of x I am writing fx. Okay? So by using this you can write like this. Now g of fx is what? X. Right. That is h of g of, in this place we can write x is equal to fx. So one more useful result we got here. Okay. Now come to the options. Now easily you can find h of 0. C option we have to check here. Okay. So what is here? The h of 0, 16 we have to calculate. H of 0. In this place you have to get 0. How to get 0 here? Right, that is nothing but already here we have g of 2 is equal to 0. If you take x is equal to 2 here, automatically you get 0 here. Put x equal to 2. Put x is equal to, now this is h of g of 2. What is g of 2? 0. H of 0 is equal to f of 0. Okay? So, sorry, here we are putting x is equal to, now h of 0 is equal to f of 2. F of 2 substitute, x is equal to 2 here. That is 2 cube 8 plus 3 into 2 6 plus 2. What is your answer? 16. H of 0 is equal to 16. Right. C option is correct. Understood? Now go to third option. H of g of 3 is equal to 36. H of g of x is equal to fx. We have simply put x is equal to 3 here. Put x is equal to 3. you get that is h of g of 3 is equal to what? F of 3. Clear? Now what is f of 3? In fx, write x equal to 3, that is 3 cube 27 plus 3 of 3 9 plus 2 is equal to 27 plus 9 plus 2 is what? Right, 38. Okay, but given D option is 36, therefore D is wrong. Right? So finally, we have to calculate or we have to check B option, that is H dash 1. Right? So for this again we have to use H of g of x is equal f of x. Okay? Here we have to find h dash x. When you get h dash x, if you get h of x, then you can find h dash x. So try to get h of x. So I am writing like this, h of, in place of x I am writing fx. Now observe g of fx is equal, here you are right, already f is there, in place of x, right, fx. Okay? Now what is g of fx? X. Okay? Now differentiate. Why? Because we have to calculate h dash 1. Differentiate here. H dash x is equal to, differentiation of this is f dash fx of f dash x. Okay? Right. Put x is equal to 1. That is h dash 1 is equal to f dash f of 1 of f dash 1. Simple substitution. F dash 1, this is fx. Put x equal to 1, 1 plus 3 plus 2, that is 6. F dash of 6 of f dash of 1. What is f dash of 1? First here, f dash of 1, we have f dash, put x equal to 1, 3 plus 3 is 6. Right? Now f dash 6, again substitute x equals 6 here. 3 into 36. That is 108, 108 plus 3, 111 of 6 is equal to 666, right? Now h dash 1 value is 666, therefore B option is also correct. So here, which options are correct? B and C. Okay?